What is your take on that training investment?
Well, someone came in and said, do you know how much it's going to cost to train these guys to do this? And I sat back and looked at him and said, do you know how much it's going to cost if you don't?
Yeah.
You know, I mean, so, you know, you have to trust that the training is going to bring your capability up. And we see this at Phoenix all the time. We send our folks to school. We send them to CAD school. We send them to SolidWorks, to Mastercam. We're constantly training people for our CMMs. When they come back, they're better skilled than when they left.
Do you feel like they're also more engaged?
Oh, I think they know the company's behind them.
Yeah.
You know, again, it's that integrity as a whole.
Yep.
You know, you got to keep your group together as a whole. If we're going to do that, if we're going to speak these core values, we got to act these core values. So you know, we've got to make that investment.
I'm glad you brought that up, because I think training is like, I'll even call it the hidden ingredient, the hidden ingredient that's key to retention. You know, people want to be able to, just like the company needs to grow, I think people want to grow too, right? Especially if you're bringing on people that are passionate about manufacturing, you want to grow in your passion. And so if you put someone in a corner and you never train them, they're going to find someone who will.
That's
and
right.
Those talents are going to walk right out the door.